Living in Gloucester County, New Jersey offers a variety of housing options, each with its own unique advantages. From the spaciousness of a single-family home to the convenience of a townhouse or condominium, the choice ultimately depends on your lifestyle and preferences. When it comes to owning a home, the advantages are numerous. Unlike renting, owning a home provides a sense of stability and security. It's an investment in your future, as homes typically appreciate in value over time. Additionally, homeowners can benefit from tax deductions and build equity, making it a valuable asset in the long run. Single-family homes in Gloucester County offer the luxury of space, privacy, and personalization. With driveways, pools, and backyards, homeowners can enjoy the freedom to create their own outdoor oasis and tailor their living space to their specific needs and desires. On the other hand, townhouses and condominiums provide a low-maintenance lifestyle, ideal for those seeking a sense of community and shared amenities. These housing options often include common areas, recreational facilities, and exterior maintenance, offering a more carefree living experience. Ultimately, whether you choose a single-family home, townhouse, or condominium, each option has its own unique benefits, and the decision comes down to what best suits your lifestyle and financial goals. We hope you found this guide to housing options in Gloucester County, New Jersey, both informative and helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends, family, or anyone you know who's in the market for a new home. Your support helps us create more content like this. And of course, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more home buying and selling tips, market updates, and insights into the real estate world. Remember, your dream home is out there and we're here to help you find it. Stay tuned, and until next time, happy house hunting.